Guys, Zoleka is pregnant, and I don't know why you guys are trying to act like you don't know that Hlathi is the father of that baby, because whether you like it or not, my guy is the father of Khusela. So I want to talk about that more here in this video, but first I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now, this is Zoleka after finding out that there is a stranger growing in her stomach. You can tell that she also doesn't believe it, but Zoleka not believing her own pregnancy is nothing. The funny thing about this pregnancy is Zoleka's fans trying to deny that this is Hlathi's child, knowing very well that it's impossible for Lazarus to be the father. Remember guys, Lazarus only started eating Zoleka's cake now, and that was recently, even after Hlathi. One person that we can suspect and it would make sense would be Mawethu. Now, that one is understandable. Also, those who watched the recent episode will remember that Thulani brought a pregnant cow, and Hlathi's uncle told Hlathi that a pregnant cow is a sign that there's a baby coming in the family. So that is where I knew that something was up and that someone was pregnant, and I was suspecting Zoleka, to be quite honest. Now, the most funny part is a clip that I saw on the teasers where Hlathi was telling Thulani that he will never abandon his child. And I asked myself, what does Hlathi mean now? Does he mean that he'll go back to Zoleka since she's pregnant? You know, knowing Hlathi, I think he'll go to Zoleka and ask her to be his wife so that they can raise their kid together. Now, the main question here is, will Zoleka agree to that? Hey guys, I feel like a lot is still going to happen on the show. So comment in the comment section, share thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.